Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. So here is green color, here is red color, purple color, parrot color, pink color, yellow color, orange color, and the last one is blue color. Now let's color the duck. What sound does a duck make? A duck says, how many ducks can you see on the screen? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here are 9 ducks.